Good morning, everyone. Stephen with Break Free Homestead. Today, we're going to be setting up our pig pen. We initially planned to do spring piglets, and things kind of changed. We got the goats, and then we got the turkeys, and it just wasn't the right time. So we've been talking about it for a while. Do we do it? Do we not do it? We're doing it. So as you can see here, we moved the initial spot from where we're gonna have these pigs down at the bottom. You know, thank you guys for watching. If you would drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out.
Look at that, big and strong, yo! It's a fence, or whatever.
Might be easier than city. 2 at a time, huh?
Yeah.
Things are pretty heavy.
Yeah, they're pretty heavier than me. Yeah, like I'm like 50 pounds or something. Little. Come here, Johnny. Wait. Whew, that's hard. Take it easy. I don't want to go back to the shop.
You know, I just didn't like the area, and then I said, no, we can do it right up here. So I started clearing this area, and I brought the panels up here, dragged them all up. And I just think that the area is gonna be too uneven. There's too many obstructions, and I thought that the pigs would get out of it. So we're nixing this plan today, and we're gonna move these down into where the garden was. It's a pretty flat area, and we have some plans to change the garden area next year, so we're gonna use that area this winter. Man, if you haven't ever dealt with hog panels, they're 16 feet long. You know, they are shorter than like cattle panels, so they're a little bit lighter, but they're just awkward. 16 feet, you know, you can carry one of them above your head. 2 of them above your head is a pretty good challenge. Don't recommend it. Just drag it, I guess. You know, it's not messing up the lawn too much. So that's how we're moving them right now. If you haven't picked these up before, make sure you look at this video. I did a video on how to fit these in the back of a regular pickup. A lot of people do cut these panels down when you go to Tractor Supply and buy them, but you do not need to do that. And you have more options to make a bigger pen if you don't cut it. So we went ahead with these 5-foot heavy-duty T-posts. The plan is we're gonna do 2 on each side, and then I'll just wire the corners together. Hopefully that should be good. I don't know if the pigs will try to really get out through the corners, but we'll see, I guess. Now you could just get longer T-posts. That way, you know, they are more usable if you wanna change it out from a hog panel size to like a cattle panel size. You know, these aren't gonna be long enough for a cattle panel. All right, let's see if we can tie this one up. Get the goatee's commentary in the background. So we're just using this wire to secure everything in here. We might need a thicker gauge wire in the corners, but it'll secure for now. So, you know, I really hope 2 T-posts on each side is enough. I guess it'll be a learning experience. But we'll see. All right, so the whole fenced area is up. You know, it's not perfectly straight. Sheesh. What'd you say?
Go inside.
We're not done yet.
Yes, we are.
So like I was saying, it's not perfectly straight, but I don't think they should be too picky. No! It's all spooked. The panels, how they're sitting, were a little bit bent, and part of transport, they do get a little bit bent, but it shouldn't affect it too much. It's pretty secure. So for the shelter, we're gonna be using this calf hutch. Luckily, we got this from a local farm here for $100, and I think it'll be the perfect shelter since we just built the boys' house. One thing I didn't think about was I should have just put it in there before I built the fence, but hey, I gotta get it over this fence anyway, so. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Milo. Toby, your beard is looking marvelous. That is it, guys. That is the pig shelter with the area for them. It's as simple as it's gonna be. If you would, please consider dropping down below, hitting that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out as we grow. Now for this size area, we are only gonna do 2 pigs this winter. I think it'll be a good baseline as it's our first time. Give us a good start and see how much meat, you know, we really can use and how many, you know, maybe next time, see if we need to up it more. You guys, yesterday we got our 2 pigs. Now we gotta get this feed in here, throw some hay in their shelter so they can get some nice bedding. so let's see if we can get that in there. That is one bag of 50 pounds of the hog feed. It comes out nicely here. Check that out. Super happy with that. They're gonna work it and it'll just come more and more. This will be perfect for them. For a link on how I created this automatic pig feeder, make sure you click up here. Hey guys, we need to put more hay in here. So I'm gonna throw it on top of you, or I'm assuming you'll run out. We'll see. Half a bale of hay in here. They have that area on the pallet. It should keep them nice and dry. And then up here we have some also, keep them off the ground. The goal is we don't want them to poop all inside their house. So hopefully they do not start doing that. If we do, we'll just partition it and try to correct it because we don't want that to happen. These guys are still trying to figure out what's going on. You know, Nova's out there harassing them. They've been here a little over 12 hours. We just put the feeder in. I gotta get the water down here. We're just gonna use a rubber dish. You know, they just left. So they're wigging out a little bit. Hopefully they settle in nicely here. That was not too mean to them, huh? We don't have names yet. The girls were talking about some names, but I think they're gonna look at them today after school and probably try to figure out some names.